it's Sam here, and I'm on another one of my Whiteboard Wednesdays, and today I'm here to talk to you about my special MDG structure. Now, this is a recruitment and role structure for your team, and the result of implementing this structure is happier staff that will be more productive, that will give you happier clients, and that will give you better results, which all adds to your bottom line. So I'm going to take you through it really quickly. It's going to be a really short video this, so I'm going to move fast. But this is what MDG stands for: maintenance, delivery and growth. And even if you've only got a 3-person team including you, you still need at least one person in each one of these categories, and I'm going to explain why. So if you look at maintenance is all the main things that keep your company ticking over on a daily basis. So let's say you've broken your leg, you're sitting at home with your leg on the sofa. What is the absolute minimum you need to do to keep your business open? Well, you've got to answer emails, you've got to have some kind of HR, so where are your staff? Are they on holiday, sick leave, all those kind of things. You've got to man the phones, and the office itself needs managing. You've got to make sure it still runs. So that's all in the maintenance department. It's the foundation really of your business. The next department is your delivery department. Now, this is all your client liaison. It's everything to do with client liaison. So by clients, I mean vendors and landlords. But from a vendor point of view, you're looking at who mans the photo shoots, so who organises and who goes along, who makes sure the brochures are created effectively, is the board up, so board management and sold slips, viewings, and of course offers. And that may or may not include sale progression depending on how your business is set up. In growth, we've got lead gen and lead nurture, obviously really, really important to keep the funnel of people coming into the business. We've got the valuations themselves, follow-ups, and in general, growth strategy. Now, why are these in 3 different departments? Well, because they're 3 different kinds of people. And I did this exercise with a friend of mine a while back, and she gave them all a name. So we're stuck with the names now. We can't change the names. These are the names. So in maintenance, you have Mary. And Mary Maintenance, if you think about the kind of person that a Mary is, and maybe there's a bit of a clue in the name, maybe that's why she picked that name. Mary is really, really organised and efficient. She's the one with the tidiest desk. She loves tick lists, she loves being organised, and she loves organising everybody else too. Quite often in an organisation, she's a bit of a mother hen. She's the one that makes the tea, she's the one that makes sure things happen, like the blinds get shut last thing at night, which we always forget in our office, those kind of things. So she's a very organised person, everybody needs a Mary. But in delivery, we have Delivery Donna. Now, Donna is very customer facing. She loves scooting all over the area in her little car and meeting new people. And she gets very excited by things like photo shoots. She gets very creative with brochures, and she loves all the client liaison stuff. She's a really, really good viewings person, somebody who doesn't rush people. So very customer facing. Growth is Gary, or in our organisation, it's Phil. Gary/Phil. And Gary Growth is in charge of the growth strategy. So he's the pilot of the ship. It's really important that you keep the business going in the right direction, that you keep growing, otherwise you stagnate and then you shrink and die. So he really likes the momentum and the sort of dynamics of growth, and therefore he's very, very well suited to this section of the business. If you don't have somebody in each section of the business, you'll have unhappy clients because you'll have unhappy staff. Your staff will be in the wrong roles, they won't be productive, you won't be getting the results you want, and therefore I think by implementing MDG in your business, you'll see a massive change in the way people approach their roles and actually ultimately your bottom line. So try MDG for yourself and let me know what you think. And if you'd like to see an actual printout of this, we can send one over to you. Just pop over to our Marketing Magic Facebook page, message us, and we'll make sure we get one over to you straight away. Bye for now.